the skyline of my city. I know every single landmark. I know curves and I know alleys. I know all your secret places. I know the bones that are the building that hold everything I love. They are the shelter that I run to, and you always wrap me up. They protect me from the stormy skies and all the angry faces. See how lightning bolts run like roots under a tree. I think your eyes do the same to me. They strike me, they ground me. I love to step into the room that lives inside your head. I love to decorate the walls with words I cannot leave unsaid. And I will cover you